Hello students, welcome to Notebook. Have any of you read Jules Verne's science fiction novel, Journey to the Center of the Earth? In the novel, Professor Lidenbrock, his nephew Axel, and their guide Hans make a journey to the center of the Earth. There, they face several prehistoric creatures, brave natural catastrophes, and encounter many adventures. We are going to make a similar journey today. We'll learn what really forms the center of the Earth. After studying this chapter, you'll also be well informed about the different kinds of rocks as well as the rock cycle. Let us now begin studying the lesson. The topsoil covering the surface of the Earth is called the crust. It is 35 kilometers in depth on the continental landmasses and has a depth of about 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. The main minerals which form the crust on continental landmass are silica and alumina, together called Cl. The oceanic crust, on the other hand, comprises silica and magnesium, together referred to as Sema. The mantle lies beneath the crust. It is a layer of silicate rock which has a thickness of 2,900 kilometers. The upper portion of the mantle and the crust together form the lithosphere. We have studied about the lithosphere in detail in the previous chapter, our environment. Now, we will learn what lies beyond the mantle. The core lies beyond the mantle and forms the innermost part of the Earth. It is made up of an alloy of nickel and iron called knife. The core is extremely hot, with temperatures ranging from 4,400 degrees Celsius to 6,100 degrees Celsius. Now that we have made our journey to the center of the Earth and come back, let us test ourselves. What are the three concentric layers that form the Earth? The uppermost layer of the Earth is the crust. It comprises of minerals silica, alumina, and magnesium. Then comes the layer of mantle. Beyond the mantle lies the core, made up of an alloy of iron and nickel. The three concentric layers that form the Earth, therefore, are the crust, the mantle, and the core. Let us now learn about the different rocks and minerals forming the Earth's crust. There are three main types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. The word igneous comes from the Latin word ignis, which means fire. When molten magma solidifies, igneous rocks, also known as primary rocks, are formed. Igneous rocks can be further divided into two categories: intrusive rocks and extrusive rocks. The rapid cooling down and solidification of molten lava on the Earth's crust results in the formation of extrusive igneous rocks. These rocks have very fine crystals. Examples include basalt and rhyolite. When molten lava cools down and solidifies deep inside the Earth's crust, intrusive igneous rocks are formed. These rocks have large crystals. Some examples of intrusive igneous rocks would include granite and diorite. Now we'll learn about sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. The word sedimentum is Latin for settling down. Due to weathering, erosion, etc., rocks break down to form smaller rocks and particles. These fragments are carried by wind or water and deposited to form compressed layer of rocks. Examples include sandstone and shale. Metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous or sedimentary rocks transform under conditions of extreme heat or pressure. For example, sedimentary rock limestone changes into metamorphic rock, marble, under great pressure and heat. Rocks are very useful They help us to make roads, bridges, houses, and other structures. Children even play games such as Kit Kit and Gitti with rocks and stones. Students, can you recall the names of the 3 different types of rocks we have studied about? Yes, you are correct. The 3 different types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. It is also important to remember that igneous rocks may be classified into extrusive igneous and intrusive igneous rocks. Now we come to the final part of the chapter. We'll now proceed to study the rock cycle. Rocks change from one type to another under particular atmospheric conditions. The process of transformation of one type of rock to another is called the rock cycle. The solidification of molten magma results in the formation of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks weather and erode into smaller rocks. These rocks are further deposited to form sedimentary rocks. Under extreme conditions of heat and pressure, sedimentary rocks form metamorphic rocks. Extreme heat and pressure transform metamorphic rocks to molten magma. This cools down to form igneous rocks, and the process continues. Did you know that rocks are made up of minerals? Minerals are natural substances with a definite physical and chemical composition. Minerals like coal, natural gas, and petroleum are used as fuels. Minerals like iron, aluminium, gold, silver, uranium, etc. are used in industries, medicine, agriculture, etc. It is important to keep in mind that rocks have aided mankind since the dawn of civilization to construct, create, and connect. With that, we come to the end of this video lesson, students. We hope this helps you prepare the lesson. See you soon in other videos of Notebook.